Hey you guys, it's Sue back with another video. As you can see, I have potatoes and onions in here. This is something that I usually cook for me, something small just for me. So I'm an empty nester. But now I'm about to add my bacon that I made earlier that I just crunched up. So now we have in here fried potatoes, bacon and onions. So when the bacon cooked down a little bit, I will be adding American cheese. But for right now, I'm going to add garlic powder. Just a little bit. Okay. Earlier I add just a little black pepper. You only need a little of this because it'll make your food extremely spicy. So I did that a little earlier where you see the little black chunks at. That's the black pepper. Alright you guys, I will come back when I add the cheese. Okay you guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to add the cheese to it. Now let that melt down and it'll be all done. I will be back with the finished product. Hold on y'all. Alrighty, I'm back you guys. This is the finished product. Fried potatoes with onion and bacon and cheese. You season it with garlic powder and a little black pepper. And on top it with parsley flakes. Alrighty you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. Yummy.